Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download a Behance project as a PDF. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the project you want to download on Behance. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open the full project view. This will display all the creative work and details that the designer has shared. Now, with the project open in front of you, press Ctrl and P together on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will open up the print dialog window. Don't worry, you're not actually going to print anything physically. This print function is what we'll use to convert the project into a PDF format. Once the print dialog appears, direct your attention to the right side of the window. You'll see a section labeled Destination. This is where your computer would normally send the file to a printer, but we're going to change that. Click on the drop-down menu next to Destination, and from the list of options that appears, select Save as PDF. This tells your browser to convert the page into a downloadable PDF document instead of sending it to a physical printer. After you've selected Save as PDF, click the Save button. This will initiate the download process and open up a new window where you can choose where to save your file and what to name it. In this new window, you'll see a field where you can enter a file name. Type in whatever name you'd like to give this project. Make it something descriptive so you can easily find it later. Below that, you'll notice a section labeled Save as Type. Make sure this is set to PDF file. This ensures the document is saved in the correct format and will be readable on any device. Once you've named your file and confirmed it's set to save as a PDF, go ahead and click the Save button one more time. Your browser will now download the Behance project as a PDF file directly to your computer. You can now access this project offline whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Behance project as a PDF using just your browser's print function. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.